Question number 6. What is the central idea being conveyed by the author in this passage? Central idea means the main idea or the most important idea. There might be several ideas that may be mentioned by the author, but which of them is the most important one? Typically, the central idea of the passage will be the one about which the author has given a lot of explanation or repeated the idea several times in different words. Or the author may say something specific, like the most important thing is. In this passage, the author says that though digital platforms claim to have a zero tolerance policy towards content which violates community standards, the enforcement of the policy is not happening properly. So option C is not the central idea, since the author is saying that a zero tolerance policy already exists. It is significant to educate children and youngsters about gender equality. The author agrees with this statement here, that schools and parents have a critical role in educating children on gender equality. But that is not the main idea in the passage. The passage starts with an incident that happened in a private Instagram group. Then the author states that similar incidents have happened on other digital platforms like WhatsApp. And then the author questions why digital platforms are not enforcing their zero tolerance policies strictly, even though they now have AI driven technologies. And the author's final call to action is that these digital social networking platforms should play a more proactive role. So, the central idea of this passage is about how digital social networking platforms can affect children and young people, and that these platforms must take the lead in regulating their use by children and young people. So, option A is the correct answer.